Hi guys and welcome back to Film Insider. Well, we have watched part 1 of the magical journey of Harkale. Thank you for the suggestions again and thank you for your comments. We are going to go through the comments and see a unique song that we can react to again. It might not be of Coke Studio, of any song that you mention, and we for sure will mention it and give you a shout out. But still waiting for part 2, which I'm going to watch right now with you. Part 1, the vocals part, the backstory was pretty simple and understandable. The way Zulfi Bhai is getting things together, it's a science. I don't know how he's managing to do that. Uh, we here, sitting here, might know very less about him, but people who are from that same country, uh, I'm sure you have more idea of what wonders he's doing there and are very happy with his work. But I can at least say that even we are big fans of him now. Okay, so let's go and watch the part 2, the video of the making of the video of the song Harkali. Let's go.
Each song doesn't just become about a song, but it becomes about an entire world that comes from that language, from the people it's talking about, from the stories it's telling, from the lyrics that it's portraying. So that becomes much more than just a song.
वो शक्लें, वो आइडियाज, वो लोग, वो सब कुछ ऐसा था कि आई वॉज वाउड. Lucky Marwat's tribe was a huge inspiration for this. Those people loved art and loved music. When you have to build that world, so you have to build that world authentically. आपके पास और कोई choice नहीं है.
लोग कहाँ कहाँ से नहीं आए. We've had castings, people have come all the way up from north. It's quite amazing to see that we have so much diversity, even in places where we don't feel that we have diversity.
बहुत खुशी है क्योंकि बहुत सारे इधर जितने भी पठान पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इसमें मुख्तलिफ इलाके से मुख्तलिफ.
One thing is about the authenticity of Zulfi's choices. They don't look like actors; they are looking like just common men. And as he said, he had to find people from the north and all. I mean, hats off to this efforts that he's put into the each and every song that he's making. Just little details again that's popping up that you can think of, and keeping that original. Like in many movies, also we have seen people from such regions and they speak Pashto, but it doesn't catch your eyes that much as it does in these videos. That's what I feel. Please let me know what you feel in the comments. We might not be on the same page, and I'm okay to that. Just let me know what you feel about this part, about each and every details that he's working on. Let's continue.
दुकानें खोलने वाले हैं.
You always hear stories कि वो इतने hospitable हैं, इतने उनके मतलब प्यार से वो पेश आते हैं आपके साथ.
हर कले जो है वो तो खैर हमारा एक स्लोगन कह लो या मैनिफेस्टो कह लो पश्तूनों का है. तो मेहमान होते ही बेसिकली ख़ास है, वो अल्लाह की रहमत है. बेशक मैं गरीब हूँ या मेरा हुजरा छोटा है. आप
Yeah, Nazir from Quick Style choreographing or managing each and every song? I am clueless. I thought I saw him in Blockbuster. ठीक है, उसने तो काफ़ी बढ़िया काम किया था ब्लॉकबस्टर में, द वन टेक वीडियो. बट ये यहाँ पे भी है. ये इसका चेहरा ही देख के ना इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. यार कमाल है यार ये बंदा.
आपके रहने की है, लेकिन मेरा दिल बड़ा है. मैं आपको वेलकम कहता हूँ, आप कभी भी आए. लाइट राइट.
I expected you guys to go above and beyond because that's just how Pakistanis do.
Everything is like from original, like जहाँ से हम belong करते हैं जिस word से वही सीन है.
The fact that it happened so quickly and the lighting.
Zephyr and our DP.
amazing.
Voice कैसा
Yeah.
लग रहा
Great, man. Amir is a wizard. This is Amir's world and we're living in it.
Our job is like, how can we make sure that these dancers look beautiful? The dance is nice, just always make sure that the line is perfect. That love and the art that we create here in Pakistan is so huge. It has potential to take over. That's why we're here. Until you tell them that you are a star, they will hide their magic. So he's like distracting. So we're not working with movements only. It's also choreographing their feelings. We want everyone to feel that feeling when you are part of creating something. Yes. Sometimes we will work tight with the directors on the angle of the camera movements. They're talking about their food. Nothing is foodie. They're talking about their food is not so much spice, but it's so tasty. Wow. Like they how do you taste?
यार मैंने एक सॉन्ग सुना था, आई थिंक इट्स कनायारी, एंड ये क्विक स्टाइल के वीडियो में ही था, द वन दैट मेड देम फेमस. सो आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक जुल्फी भाई पेयरिंग अप विद दीज गाइज इज अ टोटल विनर. There is no doubt कि what is happening in the video and because of quick style, Zulfi by getting them on board is truly magical.
Also to stuff it with rice and keep it under. Let's go eat. इस तरह से एक अनार जो होता है वो बाहर से बहुत सख्त होता है, बहुत नॉर्मल लुकिंग होता है, लेकिन जब आप उसको खोलते हैं तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक जूल्स इनसाइड. बेशक बाहर से हमें एक हार्ड शेल नज़र आता है एज आउटसाइडर्स, बट अंदर कितनी खूबसूरती है. एंड जनरली द शेप ऑफ दिस स्पेस इज लाइक एन अनार जो ऊपर से खुला हुआ है.
This is a place where the community gets together in times of sorrow, in times of happiness, in times of strife.
With this concept, we're also establishing an arid, dry landscape on the outside. Under we have this little oasis. They have these traditions and nuances about their culture, जो कि most people like we didn't know about that.
जब बारिश नहीं हो रही थी बहुत देर से, सो जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको घर में कोयला जो होता है या जो आपकी तवे की जो कालक होती है वो बना के वो मुंह पे लगाते हैं बच्चे, और फिर वो घर से घर जाते हैं और जाके कहते हैं कि हम दुआ करेंगे बारिश हो.
और वहाँ पे हमें कोई गंदम दे रहा है, कोई हमें चने के दाने दे रहा है, तो हम सारे मिक्स लाते हैं और उसको हम उबालते हैं, जिसको हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में गुंगड़ाई बोलते हैं, और वो आपस सारे बच्चे खाते हैं शाम के वक्त. फिर हम दुआ करते हैं बारिश के लिए.
यार इतनी सी छोटी स्टोरी को पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हैं. इट्स नो वन इन दिस वर्ल्ड वुड हैव इमेजिन्ड कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. सच अ स्वीट थिंग टू हैपन देयर मैन.
जो वो हाथ का काम करते हैं, मुझे जो नज़र आया वो ज़्यादातर तिल्ला था या डोरी का काम था. They kind of like move it in a way which is very unique. मेरे लिए जो चैलेंज था वो ये था that Hashim's palette of the set was very earthy tones, and Pakhtun clothes are like bright colors. जो औरतों के फ्रॉक्स के prints होते हैं, shocking pink, green. So then you look for the prints, you look for the colors, you look for the material that's closest to theirs, but in a totally different extreme of colors, brown, beige, moss green, very, very dull colors. This guy dance. So the people in dance sequence, we have like a talent deck that Shafia makes, and it makes it very easy for us. So we just look at the name and the sequence, and we just stitch it with it so that it's easier, because there's so many people and we don't want it to get confusing.
My whole idea was कि जब हम सेट पे जाएं आपको लगता है कि आप किसी और दुनिया में पहुंच गए हैं. So every little element, clothing, hair, makeup, sets, they all knit the story together.
My favorite part, sleeve. It's not a big sleeve. It's
I wanted her to feel good and make her feel happy. That feeling transcends into their expression. When an artist is happy, you truly feel that you've done something. It was worth all the effort.
True, man. True. Very true.
मुझे लिटरली ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे मेरा गांव है, सही है, बाहर बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, मेरी इमेजिनेशन वो जैसे ही मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था उसका हिस्सा बिल्कुल बन गया।
This is exactly what it feels like when you are removed from culture. You don't have something to hold on to, so you have to hold on to these little knickknacks like crystals or potions, or your mom when she's trying to take off nazar from you and she's doing this thing like around you, burning red chili flakes. I resonated and it made me feel like I was at home. So it was so easy for me to like feel comfortable and perform at my fullest capacity.
Making it rain during a Coke Studio performance, that was something a bit out there. I'm glad that we finally got to do it.
Is this the only Coke Studio video that has rain in it? मतलब ब्लॉकबस्टर के एंड में देखा था कि बारिश हो रही है, वो तो नेचुरल था, एंड दे मेकिंग इट रेन। यार क्या है ये, इकलौता वीडियो है जैसे कि ये कह रहे कि that was on the edge, so not sure though. Let's see.
How do you make it rain without all the wires and all the live equipment and everything getting washed?
एक म्यूजिक वीडियो में जो कि लाइव बज रहा है, उसमें ये भी हो रहा है. For me, this was unbelievable.
It's supposed to look magical and mystical at the same time, and almost otherworldly and slightly foreboding. And slowly, slowly, with rain, you cleanse it, and you see, no, this is us as well.
Excellent, very good.
What the world thinks about us because of what the world sees about us is not exactly who we are. हमारा आर्ट एक्सप्रेस करता है कि हम पीपल ऑफ लव, बट जब वो हम फील करेगा सिर्फ हमारी वार्मथ को, तो फिर उसे रहा नहीं जाएगा.
हमने बस वही कोशिश की जो आपने देखा नहीं है, जो आर्काइव था, जो फाइलें पीछे डस्टबिन के अंदर पड़ी हुई थी, हमने वो केसेस बाहर निकाल दिए कि ये भी हम हैं.
मैं कहता हूँ ये दिन ख़त्म ही ना हो, लिटरली, क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा दिन है मेरे लिए, बहुत बड़ा.
I always used to tell my mom that I wanted to be on Coke Studio. So I'm really grateful that I'm here in a moment where they want to welcome even people from the diaspora and remind you, like, even if you move all the way to Los Angeles, you're still a Pakistani. Welcome home, almost like that. That's what it feels like.
हर कले to everybody.
ये तो हम इंडिया में इसे गरबा कहते हैं, पता नहीं आपने सुना है कि नहीं, बट ये एक गुजराती फॉर्म ऑफ डांस है, गरबा. क्या बात है भाई, मज़ा आ गया, क्या बात है. So guys, what I take from this video is again getting this art set together. Like the singer who belongs from that place is actually feeling he's at home, being so far away from home. The little details again, it's very interesting. And Quick Style coming together with Zulfi Bhai. I hope they are a part of each and every song choreography in the world. These guys are brilliant. They have a huge fan following in not only in India but everywhere, and they are so young and so energetic, so chirpy कि उनके हर एक डांस देखने का मन करता है. मतलब मैं YouTube पे उनके काफ़ी वीडियोस देख चुका हूँ. So knowing that they are a part of it, it just increases your interest in it. So thank you guys for suggesting this song, Har Kale. एंड प्लीज़ लेट अस नो इफ देर आर एनी मोर सॉन्ग्स. ये जो सिंगर था ज़हूर, if has he sang any other song that we can listen to, just suggest one or two that you feel is at the same pace at which we both are, me and you are right now with this song. So thank you guys for listening to me, and please subscribe button दबा दो भाई. एक टारगेट होता है यार हमारा, अभी तो पहुँचे नहीं है वहाँ पे. प्लीज़, ठीक है. So enjoy yourself, take care, and see you next time.